Hello guys, and welcome to your very next lecture of data structures using Python. So in the previous two lectures we saw some basic functions of linked list, like adding a node from beginning, adding a node from end of the linked list, and how to traverse a linked list. Now in this tutorial we will see how to delete a node from front of the linked list. What is the front node actually? It is none other than head. So deleting head of a linked list, that's we are going to see. So let me explain you first. It's actually very easy. It's very easy. You can even do that by yourself. So just let me explain you as fast as possible. Suppose there are three nodes. This is the first node pointing to the second node, pointing to the third node, and finally fourth node, which is null. This is null and this is head. So how are we going to do that? We actually want to delete this node and we will make this node as our new head. That's just how you will delete a front node from a linked list. It's nothing more than that. You need to understand the concept, and there is nothing more than that, guys. In it, the new linked list will be like this: 2 pointing to 3 and finally 4 and null. And this node here, this is our head now, and it's done, guys. It's actually done. Let's see how we can do that. So first thing first, if self.head is equal to none, means there are no elements in the linked list, no nodes in the linked list. Linked list is empty. Just print empty linked list. We can't delete element from it as there is no node present in it. Else just make a temporary node, a temporary variable, which will carry the value of self.head.next. And what we need to do now, we need to delete the first element. So just delete self.head, and now actually our linked list contains no head, so we need to give a new head to our linked list. So self.head is equal to temporary node. And what is actually temporary node? Temporary node is the element, is the node which is next to the head. Means what we are doing, we are actually saying save this node, this 2 node in the temporary variable. You need to understand just this thing, that we are saving this node in temporary variable. Self.head.next, head.next means 2, that is our temporary node now. Then we'll delete the self head, means we will delete this first node and we will make our new head as the second node, and that's done. Okay, now let's see how to delete a node from end of the linked list.